I purchased this Chi hair blow dryer about 3 years ago, and it's still working perfectly. It straightens my hair very fast in about 10 minutes. The key is to know how to use it. It has several settings. You can use high, low, cool, and off. For better results, I recommend applying the Chi Silk Infusion. You just add a few drops to your hand, rub your hands, and spread it across your hair before blow drying. Once you've done that, you can start drying your hair. To start, divide your hair in half, and then grab one of those halves and hold it up like that. And then the other side, you leave the strand out and you put the other half up. And then you start blow drying. I usually use it in high for more speed. And it doesn't heat up too much. The key is to keep the brush in movement at all times. You don't just roll up your hair, because some people make this mistake. They just roll up the hair and they dry it like that. But that won't get really nice results. Do that really slowly. And just like you did that strand, you're gonna do the rest of your hair. It's recommendable to grab strands that are not very thick, so it dries faster and the results are smoother. I'm going to do the next strand now. As you see, it's not too thick. Two strands down. I'm going to add another drop of the Silk Infusion. This helps control any frizziness in case you live in a very humid climate. And now I'm going to do the other half. I usually divide my hair into 4 pieces. I've got a lot of hair, and considering how much hair I have, I think it straightens really fast. I'm almost done. I'm just applying the soap treatment in to avoid frizziness. And this is the final result after only 10 minutes. I truly recommend this product. It is very easy to use, very easy to clean. It has been very durable. I've had it for over 3 years. It works real fast, and the results are amazing. For best results, try to start with moist hair. If it's dripping wet, it won't work as well. So let it dry a little bit after you shower, or use a normal blow dryer to take away the excess moisture. My name is Gabby.
Thanks for watching my review.